I want to thank you guys for being here today. I mean, look at this room. Who knows what a free breakfast will do? So I appreciate you guys coming today and giving me 3 hours of your life. And I don't take that lightly. My goal today and what I plan on doing is making sure you guys are glad that you came here for 3 hours.
What resonated with me is how he systematizes his approach to business, and specifically the nuts and bolts about how to generate leads and where the business comes from. I really like that part.
After coming to Joe Kehrig's seminar for the first time, I felt it was informative. Joe is to the point. He's a dynamic speaker. He's sincere. He cares about teaching and showing everyone what he's learned over 40 years. And I appreciated everything that I heard today.
Number one takeaway for me today was, gosh, there were so many, but something that I actually personally always believe in and preach is not starting your day until it's on paper, or as he says, until it's finished on paper. It really does help you keep on track and get more accomplished in an efficient manner.
Out of the top 10 takeaways today is that honor yourself, have respect for yourself. You will automatically have it for your clients. Know what they want and help them get what they want by getting to know them. Excellent.
Very frankly, I didn't realize how much I would get out of today. Joe is just, I guess I would just say he's the real deal. He knows what to teach, he knows what to do. I got more out of it than I expected to.
I thought it was a great talk, and what I really liked about it the most was that kind of combining the concepts of motivation with actual real-life organization and experience.
As for how today's talk was, it was incredible in the sense that it's very applicable, it's real things that we always need a reminder of what we need to do, but I'm a believer that as much as we want to get our escrows lined up and our sales going, you can't unless you have the proper foundation. So it really was a catalyst to the foundation we need in order to be a success. And the good thing is, with Joe's program afterwards, he's able to give you continuous ongoing tips and follow-ups to hold you accountable to make sure you're doing what you need so you can execute on all of his ideas.